Okay, on number 1, it says to list the angles from the smallest to largest. Are there any information given to us about the angles? No. So if I'm going from the smallest to largest, the corresponding opposite side is going to tell us, meaning, what's our smallest side measure? 31.4. If that is the 31.4 in the smallest side, that means the opposite angle must be the smallest angle. They're always corresponding. So angle R. Which side is the next? 38.3, so I'm going to highlight that part. And go to the opposite angle. So what angle is after R? Q. Angle Q. And then we have one and only one remaining, so angle how many? P. That is going to be the same when we go vice versa. So with the partner, let's do example number 2. Go. Talk to your neighbor. All right, let's check with the board. So are we okay with that topic? It goes vice versa. LK, KL, completely fine as long as you completely reverse them. So if we're good with from side to angle and angle to side, give me a thumbs up. So I'm not repeating myself, meaning we're going to skip number 4 and number 5, and let's move on to number 6. All right, let's put a star on this one, and I'm going to write out a theorem that's going to be true at all times. The sum of two smaller sides must be greater than, I'm going to say larger, than the longest side. The sum of two smaller sides must be larger than the longest side. So let's apply that on the first one. So I'm giving to you, we have measurement of 10, 12, and 9. What two numbers are the smaller sides? 10 and 9. So when I add 10 and 9, has to be larger than the longest side, which is 12. So 19 is greater than 12. Is that true? So this can form a triangle. So for part B, what two am I going to add? 7 and 8, and show the work. Must be greater than 15. So 15 is greater than 15. Is that true or false? No. So can this make a triangle? No. What two should I add on the next one? 7 and 10. So we have 7 plus 10 must be bigger than 19. 17 is greater than 19. Is that true? Nope. Do we all put a star on this? Okay. Okay, Jack, let's read number 7.
The figure shows the approximate distance between the cities in California. What is the range of the distance for San Francisco?
When it says range of distance, that means there's multiple numbers that could satisfy this. So the first thing that you must do, step 1 and step 2. You take the two given numbers and you subtract. So we have 51 minus 46. How many is that? 5. And then you take those two same numbers and you add them. So how many is 51 plus 46? 97. So we know, looking at the sentence, the distance from San Francisco to Oakland must be greater than what number? Greater than 5, but less than 97. And the way to write this in the inequality form is 5 less than x less than 97. Let's go to our last one. The nice thing about the last one is the fact that I tell you exactly what to set them equal to or use the inequality. So in this case, It says to add what two sides first? AB plus AC, so let's go to it. There's AC and AB. Now, because we're adding, it doesn't matter what comes first, but I want to be consistent with the given, so let's write AB first. 4x minus 4 plus 3x minus 2. What sign do I want in between those two things? Greater than? What information am I writing on the right side of that? 5x minus 2. Let's combine like terms. What is 4x plus 3x? What about our constants when I add them? Negative 6 must be greater than 5x minus 2. And I think we can do two things at the same time. Could we add or subtract 5 on both sides and add 6 on both sides? So we'll get 2x is greater than 4. So what is my x? Must be greater than 2.